Okay, these three little circuit boards are out of Nissan, the old Nissan 300ZX sports car. They've got a vacuum fluorescent display on the front, which is pretty cool tech. You don't see that these days. It's a glass. It's the kind of old like CRT technology. It's this glass with vacuum inside it and various kind of phosphors that glow different colours. These ones were all completely dead, so you turned them on, they didn't do anything. So I was asked if I could have a look at them. So the problem areas seem to be there's these two big resistors here. I think they say 181, so I guess 181 ohms. I actually got it to one of them. I got to work just by I was sort of poking around it. It just suddenly burst into life, so that gave me the clue where it was. I think there's the crystal on the top. The clock was working, so the chip was kind of working, but I think this area probably generates the voltages that actually make the display on the displays work. So I resoldered all that area up. Some of these soldering along these connections were pretty lousy. And there's a bit of circuitry down this end. So there's not much on them. So if you've got a dead one, it's either the display or the chip, or bad soldering. If it's the display and the chip, you've had it, because you're not going to get those anymore. They're most likely obsolete. So I've wired these all together up to a 12 volt bench power supply, so I could leave them running and test them. So let's switch it on and see what it does. As you can see, they're now working. I've tried them. I left them running for quite a few hours and they didn't go wrong, and I tried them when the room was really cold as well, and they didn't go wrong. They seem to start up okay, so I'm guessing they're repaired. They fit inside a plastic housing, and then there's this bit goes on the front, so that would changes how it looks. There's a few buttons on the front that interface to these pads there. And there's another one over here. It's quite a simple little thing, really. And these are old. I'm guessing they're about 30 years old. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.